Homag AG. Homag is located in Germany. Headquarters is located in Germany. The group employs 6,600 employees all over the world, with in over 100 presences in different countries. And we have a global market share of 30%. Homag China is a wholly foreign-owned subsidiary of the Homag Group here in China. And we started to sell into China 30 years ago and start to produce machines already 25 years ago. And today we have 750 employees in 7 subsidiaries all over the country, providing not only machines or building not only machines and solutions, but also software and services, other services.
Homag China established in 4 different areas, which we think that is our core for the comparative. First, we have long experience. We have worked in China for 40 years, deeply involved in the China furniture production business. And we have talented salesmen and engineers. Most of them, they got the training in Germany and worked for a long time in the market. Integrate with the German technology, we believe this is our core competitive. As we say, the high quality, high flexibility is the core today for the competition. So Homag China gives the market the total solution, not only the machinery, but also the software. On the last 3 years, we help industrial customer to what we say, what you see and what you got. From the shop rendering to machining to delivery, that is a total solution. And from the hardware, of course, our superstar machine, laser edge bending machine, is our most sellable today. And they can solve the problem of the dark edge, which created many years. And now with this laser technology, then all the furniture you can find seamless. So I think this also helps the high standardized customer to achieve the high quality of furniture.
First one is service. Service is the core competitiveness of the entire Homag Group, covering all after-sales service, spare parts, automation projects and training. Homag China currently has 150 engineers organized in 30 teams all over the country in order to be able to give a fast response to our customers. It forms a multi-directional, 3-dimensional, dense service network, providing customers the most effective service in the shortest time. In light of the trend of smart manufacturing, the focus of Homag China services also extends to digital service, helping the development of China's custom home furnishing industry. The second trend is localization. Homag China has long kept introducing world technology and equipment, improving quality, optimizing costs, and the purpose of developing technological breakthrough to fulfill particularly Chinese customers' needs over customized solutions. We provide a series of flexible, intelligent, customized total solutions for leading custom home furnishing enterprises. We, for example, supported Sophia to build Asia's first batch size 1 customized furniture production line, which is highly adaptive to various production needs. In order to speed up industry digitalization, Homag China has developed one-stop software. It fully opens up and connects all procedures from dealer order placement, dismantling orders, production management, to packaging logistics, achieving production transparency and efficiency. Last but not least, the third trend or challenge will be solutions. The future industry will develop towards smart manufacturing. In response to such a trend, it is necessary for China's home furnishing industry to integrate big data and a high degree of automation. Homag China has an extensive software development. We make use of technology to empower industry transformation and drive data interconnection along the industry chain. Also, we provide a full integrated solution from raw materials warehouse, manufacturing connection, sorting system to finished products warehouse, allowing real-time analysis and precise order placement. Our complete adaptation operation of unmanned factory can be ensured with digitalization, informatization, and personalization in a large-scale customized production.